How to set ONADA app to light mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply the light or the dark mode on ONADA application using your smartphone. First of all, open up the ONADA application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right and tap on it. This will open up the settings menu where you'll see the theme option at the very top. Toggle on the button right next to light mode to switch to light mode on the ONADA app. You can tap on the same button to turn it off and enable the dark mode. So make sure to select one of the options depending upon your need, and there you go. That is how you can easily set ONADA app to light mode or the dark mode if you want to switch between them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.